In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Teams using your browser. It's a quick and easy process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have Microsoft Teams up and running on your device, ready for all your meeting and collaboration needs. To get started, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable with. Once your browser is open, you'll want to navigate to the search bar. You can usually find this at the top of your browser window. Now you'll type in Microsoft Teams into the search bar. When you press enter on your keyboard, your browser will display a list of search results related to Microsoft Teams. As you look through the results, focus on identifying the official Microsoft Teams download page. This is usually the first option that appears, and it will be directly from Microsoft's website. Clicking on this link will take you to the official Microsoft Teams landing page. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams download page, you'll see a prominent button or link that says Download Now. This button is your gateway to having Teams on your device. When you click on it, the download process will begin. Depending on your browser settings, you might see a prompt asking if you want to save the file. If so, go ahead and select Save to ensure the installation file is downloaded to your computer. At this point, the file should start downloading to your device. You can typically track the progress of your download in the browser's download section, which often appears at the bottom of the browser window. Once the download is complete, you'll locate the downloaded file, usually in your computer's Downloads folder. With the Microsoft Teams installer ready, double-click the file to begin the installation process. This will launch the setup wizard, which will guide you through the installation steps. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may see prompts asking for your permission to make changes to your system. It's important to click Yes or Allow to proceed with the installation. The setup wizard will typically ask you to agree to the terms and conditions. Read through them if you'd like, and then click Agree to continue. From here, the installation will proceed, and once it's finished, Microsoft Teams will be ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded Microsoft Teams onto your device. You can now sign in with your account, join meetings, and start collaborating with colleagues. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide made the process easy for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.